Yes, I'm recording this session. Okay, so this will be shared to the people who haven't who are not joining actually. Okay,
Okay,
yeah.
no problem.
So Manish, we just started. Okay, so hello Manish, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So whenever I'm not audible, just let me know. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So
Yes.
we'll be starting with the marketing part first, right? What is marketing actually? Okay, so I hope you all heard about this marketing part, right? So what marketing is? So marketing is when you promote any product or service, right? So whenever you are promoting any product or services in to the audience, right? So suppose I'm a either I'm a service provider or I have a product, right? So until unless I'll not promote it, right? Nobody will be come to know about my product or services, right?
Yeah.
So marketing is a action or a business of promoting and selling products or services, including market research and advertising, right? So before creating any product or before developing any product, what we do is we do a market research. So that also comes under marketing part only, because until unless you don't know the requirement of the end users, right, you will not be able to develop or you will not be able to make a good product, right? So we do the market research. So that comes under the marketing part only. And after creating or developing the products, what we do is we generally do a marketing in the sense we are promoting our product or services so that people will be aware about that particular product or service. So that is called marketing.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So then the marketing has two types actually. Okay, so one is traditional marketing, and the this particular era, we can say, in the today's scenario, we call it. Second one is digital marketing. So what is traditional marketing? Anyone, Arun or Manish?
Like pamphlets, hoardings, and like that. Is
Yeah,
that
correct. So the traditional marketing means we are using traditional methods to promote our product or services. When I say traditional methods, it means newspaper, advertisements, right?
yeah?
Putting advertisement in the newspapers, popular newspapers or magazines, or distributing pamphlets, putting hoardings into the main areas of the cities, right?
Yes,
Or
yes.
canopy kind of you're promoting your product or services outside the malls or any popular places.
Yeah.
You're putting up canopy there, and your peoples are distributing pamphlets or showcasing your items, right? So that is called
Yeah.
traditional methods to promote any product or services. So
Yes, yes.
as the time changes, right, we are also changing, everybody is changing, and as a in the progress of technology, right, and in the internet era, we everybody has changed, and the entire scenario has changed. So the going forwards, everybody started using smartphones. So once this internet
Yes.
approaches to everybody started using smartphones, and they are surfing internet in their phone only. So people these days using desktop or laptop less. They're using more smartphones, right? So they're accessing mobile 24/7. So in this scenario, we started promoting our product and services through the digital medium, right? So when it comes to the promoting product or services through the internet, that is called digital marketing. When you are promoting your product or services through a digital medium in the sense you are promoting your product or services over the internet. Either you are promoting on the WhatsApp, that is also called a digital marketing. You're promoting your product or services on the website, that is also called digital marketing. Or you're putting a poster on the social media, right? That is also called digital marketing. Or you are sending emails to your clients, that is also called digital marketing. So whenever you're using internet as a medium to promote your product or services. That is called digital marketing. Till now, I hope so. I hope clear to both of you, right?
Yeah, everything's clear.
Yeah. So whenever you feel like there is any confusion or any questions, you can ask me. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the types, right? The various methods we use for the digital marketing, just like Google, Yahoo, Bing, SMS marketing, mobile marketing, augmented reality, SEO, SMO, email marketing. So these are the different platforms we use for the digital marketing. So we'll be covering all these things. So before going ahead, okay, there are 4 P's of marketing. Any idea about it?
No idea.
Okay. Manish, Arun, no idea?
No, it's actually I didn't question what you are asking. Can you please repeat?
Yeah. So any idea about marketing? Like what are the core metrics you cover in the marketing? What are the core principles of marketing?
We should know the knowledge, means accurate knowledge of the product what we are going to sell.
Okay. Accurate
And
knowledge in the sense?
Accurate knowledge means we should know about the product knowledge, I mean to say.
Okay. That is all about the product.
Know better about our product knowledge, and for which type of customer is going to buy, means type of customer. So where we can market our product, whom we should market. Like if it is a educational product, we should go to students.
Okay. So yeah, you're reaching to somewhere, right? Correct.
Okay, if I'm incorrect, you can correct me.
Yeah, no, yeah, no, you're correct. Okay. I think your voice is breaking, Manish, right? Your voice is breaking, I think. Yeah. So the core principles, or you can say like the 4 P's of marketing is, the first is product. 1 minute, just let me cover that one. 1 minute, I'm pulling out that PPT. Actually, there is something missing in this. One minute, just hold on. Are you able to see my screen?
Guys?
Yes. Yeah. Can you see now?
Yes.
How marketing works. So the 4 P's, we can say 4P. Okay. So the first is product. Clear? So this is very important, right? Important part of any like when we start marketing. So first P is product or service. So until unless your product is not good, here up to the mark, right? Or you are not addressing the pain point of the audiences, right? Or your clients or your customers, that is not good, right? So you have to, hello?
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Yeah. So you have to address the pain point of your customers. Then only you will be able to, make the impact in between them, right? So the first P should be always good. Your product should be always good. Either it's a quality wise or addressing all the issues of the customers. So the first P is product. Then second thing is price, right? Suppose for example you are buying a laptop, right? So what you see in the laptop first, you as per your requirement, you will see the configuration, right? So suppose you are a software engineer and you are a developer, right? So you will see a laptop which has a good configurations, like either it's a good storage and a good RAM and latest iOS or like latest OS, right? So all these things you will see. The second things which will come into your mind is the price, right? Because suppose you are seeing a laptop with the 8 GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk, and Intel i5 or i7 generation, right? The latest OS or the chipset, right? So the second thing you will see these prices, right? Okay, so Dell is giving in this particular configuration is 30,000, then LG is giving 40,000, or Mac is giving in 50,000 rupees. So you will see, you will compare the prices. So the price should be always compatible with your competitors, right? You have created a good product, you have developed a good product, but your prices are not matching with your competitors. In that case, your marketing, somewhere your marketing will impact, right? Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The third thing is place, right? So that your product is very good. Suppose you are starting a institute, right? For the students, like people who are looking for the coaching in CA field, right? Chartered accountant, right? So, and your quality of education is very good, your course content is very good, and then second, your prices. Suppose you are giving that particular course in 10,000 rupees, and all your competitors also giving in the same range, 10,000 or 12,000 or 15,000 max to max, right? And then the third thing is place. So suppose you are into Bangalore, and you are, you have opened your institute in BTM, right? And then now you're promoting it into the Indiranagar, okay? Or suppose you are promoting it into this Marathali, or Whitefield, or nearby Yashwantpur. So will the people come to your institute?
No, they will look nearby only.
Nearby only, right? So the thing is, your product should be good, your prices should be compatible. The third one is place. So the place should be appropriate, right?
Yeah.
You should not, like, okay, you started your business in Bangalore and you are promoting it into this Mysuru or Mumbai, right? So the
Yeah,
people
yeah.
will not come to your place, or your efforts is not good, right? So all these
Yes.
three things should be there. And the fourth thing is promotions. Everything is good. You are providing services in Bangalore, right? Your product is also awesome, and prices are very very compatible, right? But you are not promoting it. So until unless you are not promote it, how people will come to know, right? You started a good restaurant, right? Everything is good, your dishes are delicious, right? Your prices are very good, and location wise it's also awesome. But until unless you will not promote it, how people will come to know, right? By, right, until unless I'll not promote it, right? So people will
Yeah.
not come to your restaurant, and you will not get a business, right? So all these four things should be in a proper manner. So if you are going to promote anything, all these things should be in a very good manner, right? So that is very important. All those four pieces, if something is missing, then entire efforts will be going to vain, right? सब कुछ अच्छा है.
Yeah.
You both of know Hindi?
Yeah, we are comfortable I'm
Yeah.
comfortable in it. Sorry.
Okay. So everything is good, right? But if anything of is missing, suppose आपका product अच्छा है, right? Prices is also good, and promotion is also good, but the place you're targeting is wrong, then this will not
Yeah.
work out, right? So any of these 4 points will missing, then your entire efforts will be not working. So these
Yeah.
all 4 things should be always in a proper manner when you start marketing. So how this marketing works, I think it's clear.
Yeah.
Shall we go ahead?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So digital marketing I have already discussed, right? So now the question comes, everything was good, right? In traditional marketing also, before this internet era, we were promoting our product and services on the traditional methods, and that was
Yeah.
helpful for us, right? And we were doing business that time also. And then what is the need of digital marketing? Any idea?
To get more customers, to expand our business, means we can make it all over India, or we can sell it our product to
Previously
abroad
also
also.
everybody was doing same, right?
Yeah.
I mean, don't take it otherwise, right? But yes.
No.
Yeah. So previously also everybody was doing, right? Then
Yeah, that thing everyone was doing.
Yeah.
But you can say like we don't previously we don't have data apart from means like if I have a shop
Okay.
or anything, but I don't have a customer base, customer data, which customer is a fresh customer, who is the repeated customer, how many times they have visited, where they are staying. We can keep data in this digital marketing.
Is it? Because see, for your, I mean, like your answers. I mean, I'm saying like, okay, you have a shop previously. I mean, like you started it in 1990s. Okay, so
Yeah.
I was coming regularly to your shop, right? So obviously, right, that time there was no mobile numbers and all, right? But yes, people know each other, right? They were not going far away, right? I mean, these today's, everything has grown up. Either it's communication wise or transportation wise, right? Everything has improved. So previously was also the data part is not a big deal. Okay, so the main thing why we moved from traditional to digital, there are few things which we are going to cover. So you guys are able to see my screen, right? Is it
It
visible
is on
now?
this fourth page only, traditional versus digital marketing.
Yes, correct, right.
Yeah.
So
Can you zoom your
sorry,
zoom? Can you zoom your screen, or it means
it's
full screen?
full, it's a full actually.
Okay, no problem.
Are you not able to see it?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Is it visible now?
We can see. Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, so the main thing is in traditional marketing, what happens, right? So traditionally means like there's old methods, right? We are putting advertisement into the newspaper, magazines, and these pamphlet distributions and all these things. All we are still doing, right? Everybody is still doing. Every company is still doing all these things, right? So the but main thing is, what happens previously was what was happening previously. The main thing is traditional marketing is very costly, the main thing. Okay, if you want to put a advertisement in a newspaper, okay, so do you have any idea like how much it costs? If I want to give a advertisement in Times of India, in the front page, in the first page, right, the full page cover, or like I'll say 10 by 10. 10 by 10 means 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. It is 10 by 10 means 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Okay.
Yes.
So how much it will cost for one day? Any idea?
1,500 to 2,000.
Oh, can you do it for me? I'll pay you 20,000.
No, I have no idea actually. 10 by 10, but I have.
I'll give you 20,000 if you can do it for me.
No, I have no idea. I was just.
Yeah, so that's much costly. If you want to give a full first page, right? Front page.
Front page, you are saying, no, yes.
Front page, Times of India. For Bengaluru only, it will cost me around 10 to 15 lakh rupees for one day.
Oh.
That much costly.
Yes.
For the one district, this much. Okay. So if in inner pages, if you want to give a 10 by 10, right? 10 by 10 is very less size actually. Not more than your phone, right? So your phone is more than 10 centimeters, right? So
yes.
That area also cost you 20,000 rupees or 15,000 rupees for a single day inside pages, not the outer side. If it is the festival season, then it's very very costly. So the first thing is so the first thing is cost effectiveness. If you have 50 rupees also, you can spend on digital media and you can promote your product or services. But in 50 rupees, you cannot even print a what you can say, like pamphlet also, right? If you're going to print a pamphlet, the quantity will be 1,000, right? So minimum you have to print 1,000 pamphlets, then only they will, that print guy will agree, right? Otherwise they will also say, no sir, we don't have the capacity to print 500 pamphlets or 100 pamphlets, right? If they are agree, then they will cost you more, right? They will also suggest you, okay, so if you will go for the 1,000, then only this will be somewhere cheaper, right? So that is the main thing. the cost involved in the traditional marketing is very higher as compared to the digital media, right? So if you have 50, 60 rupees, 70 rupees, 100 rupees budget also in Facebook, you can start promoting your product or services. But in the traditional marketing, it is not possible. Correct? That is the first thing.
Yes, sir.
The second thing, which I have mentioned here, allow unidimensional communications with little customer interactions. And digital marketing allow multi-dimensional customer communications and facilitate active communications from the consumers. See, I have given an ad in the Times of India today. Okay, so
Okay.
it is very limited by the communications part, right? Little customer interactions, like, okay, people will see my ad and they will, if I have mentioned my phone numbers, then then only they will call. That is not guaranteed that how many people will call, right? You don't know after seeing your ad. Correct? They cannot
Yeah,
interact
we don't.
directly. They cannot interact
Yeah.
directly at the same moment, right, with you. But in the
Yes.
digital medium, you have put a ad on Facebook. Okay, this is my product. Okay, and I'm selling on this particular area, right? So the people can directly communicate with you, right? They will instantly comment. Okay, sir, can I have the price, please? Right?
Yes, sir.
What is the course content, right? Suppose I'm promoting my digital
Yeah.
marketing courses, right? So definitely people will ask, okay, sir, what is the course content? What are the course content you are going to cover, right? So all
Yeah.
these things will this is allow the multi-dimensional both the way communications can happen, right, in the digital medium, but it is not possible
Yeah.
into the traditional marketing. The next thing is includes greater cost because the various platform it includes, right? So the costing wise also we have already
Yes.
covered, right? So campaigns tends to be rigid with no room for the adjustments. The third thing is suppose I have given advertisement to the Times of India to print, right, for the next day, tomorrow, right? And the final moment I changed my promotional, I mean, like these offers, right? Previously I was giving 40% discount. Now we have decided, okay, we'll give the 50% discount. When I called Times of India, sir, just change my percentage of discount, right? Previously it was 40%. Now we are giving 50%, right? So is it possible?
Yes.
If it is
No.
printed already?
Yeah, because it's already printed and
Yeah,
they'll not give you.
right. Even if there is some mistake was there, right? Some spelling mistake or anything, can we
Yeah.
change it? No, right?
No,
But
we cannot do anything.
yeah,
Yeah.
but in digital marketing we can change. So that that is only possible in digital marketing, not in traditional marketing.
Yes.
So that is a very good scope in the like facilitating the adjustments and all.
Yeah.
In traditional marketing, the scope is limited. The target audience tends to be very specific, right? Now
Yes.
it comes to the traditional marketing. This is the biggest benefit of digital marketing is you can target a specific target audience, very specific. Suppose you are a manufacturer of beauty creams, okay,
Yes.
and that is only for the girls or ladies, right? And you don't want to target the men, right?
Yes.
So is it possible in traditional marketing?
No, it's not possible.
It is
It's
somewhere,
not possible.
it is somewhere only, right? Not the all the way. Like,
Yeah.
suppose you are distributing pamphlets, right? So in that case, you can target only girls. Like we will give your
beauty parlors.
yes, you will
Yeah.
give your pamphlets only to the ladies, but that is not guaranteed
Yes.
that the delivery guy will do that, right? We
Yeah,
see,
yeah.
we always see, right, how the pamphlet distributing.
How they're distributing.
Yes,
Yeah.
they are distributing, right? They are putting 10, 15 pamphlets in a same building, right? Or
Yeah.
sometimes they are throwing it away, right? Anywhere.
Yes. Yeah.
That is
They're
the main
wasting
thing.
on money.
The wasting, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
but in digital marketing, suppose I wanted to target the girls from the age group of, suppose I have a cream which which is solutions for the acne and all, pimples, acne and all. So I wanted to target the age group from 13 years to 30 years, okay, and that is only for the ladies and in a specific area only, because my product is not available outside the Bengaluru, right? So
Yes.
I can target to the specific people or specific age group, right? It can be very
Yes.
specific. That is only possible in digital marketing. That is not possible in
Traditional
traditional
marketing.
marketing. So these are the main things, which is these are the main advantages of digital marketing, actually, you can say. So now it's
Yeah.
clear, I think, for what is the traditional marketing and what is digital marketing.
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah. So we're moving to the next slides. Yeah. So the benefits of digital marketing is global reach, right? You are sitting in India or you are staying in any part of the world, and you're promoting your product or services throughout, right? So that was also possible in traditional marketing, but that involves a lot of efforts and a lot of people, right? Suppose I wanted to showcase my product or services in America, right? So I need to contact with one of the agency who is giving advertisement in America, and then only it is possible, right? So I need to make a lot of efforts to put that particular advertisement in that particular area. But through digital
Yeah.
marketing, it is very easy. By sitting in your home, you can promote your product or services any corner of the world.
Yes.
That is the biggest benefits. Then another is specific or precise targeting. As I told you, if you want to
You have changed your slide.
yeah, benefits of
You have
digital marketing.
changed it. Yeah, because it's not visible. Still, I'm on this 4th page.
Oh, is it now?
Yeah.
Is it visible now?
No.
Still it is on the 4th page.
Yes.
1 minute. Okay. Now can you see?
Yeah, now it's visible. Thank you.
Okay. So the second is specific or precise targeting. So as I told you, if you want to target any specific people or any specific gender,
Yes.
right, that is only possible in digital marketing. The third thing
Yeah.
is very low cost
Low cost.
and maximize return on investment. And the new thing is about digital marketing is if you want to measure your performance of your marketing efforts, right, that is only possible in digital marketing. That is not possible in traditional marketing. Suppose you have given an advertisement in Times of India, or you have distributed 10,000 pamphlets, right? So can you measure
Yeah.
how many people came to see
Yeah,
this
and
particular
have seen the
advertisement in the newspaper or the pamphlet? Can you
No, we can't.
identify? No,
No,
right?
no.
Because suppose the same day you distributed 10,000 pamphlets, and same day you have given an advertisement into the Times of India. Okay. So next day onwards, that crowd started coming to your shop.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So but you cannot identify,
Yeah.
right, from which platform this particular traffic is coming. Or if I
Yeah.
spend 1 lakh rupees on advertisement on like newspaper ads on the pamphlet distributions, then how much return I got, right? You cannot compare that. But in
Yeah.
but in digital marketing, you can measure that thing also, right? Real-time tracking, which we say real-time tracking in the sense, if you are running a conversion campaigns, you are selling something online, right? So you will come to know, okay, I spent 10,000 rupees on advertisements and I got a sale of 1 lakh rupees or 50,000 rupees or whatever, right? So that time you can calculate, okay, what was my return on investment, right? I invested 10,000 rupees in your advertisements and I got a return of 1 lakh rupees or 50,000 rupees or whatever, right? So that is possible in digital marketing. The next thing is easy to adjust. Anytime, any point of time, you can change your advertisements. You can change your data or your ad copy or your images,
Yeah.
everything, right? So that is very easy to adjust and easy to measure.
Yes.
Easy to measure in the sense you can see that metrics. Okay, I have run this particular ad in this particular area and my ad is reached to 10,000 people. Out of 10,000 people, 5,000 people came to my websites. Out of 5,000 people, 200 people or 300 people came to the add to cart page, and out of that 10 or 15 people who actually buy my product or services, right? So
Yes.
these all things is possible in digital marketing. So this is the biggest benefits of digital marketing.
Yeah.
Clear, both Arun and Manish?
Yeah, it's clear for me. Manish is not there, I think.
Oh, okay. No issues. All right. So, shall we move now? Hello, Arun. Can you hear me? Hello. I think you are on mute. Okay.
Actually, due to power cut,
Okay. Okay.
Wi-Fi has gone, so now I have switched on the mobile data.
No.
Bangalore, since morning it's raining.
Okay. Okay. I'm also in the Bangalore only. Right? You're from Madhya Pradesh, right?
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me, Arun?
Am I audible?
Yes, Arun, I can hear you.
Mobile network is not good.
Arun, can you hear me? Hello. Hello, Arun, can you hear me?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. So now I will talk about the platforms which which is available for the digital marketings. Okay.
Yes.
So now it's clear, I think, for you, like what is digital marketing is all about, right?
Yeah, it's clear.
And
Yeah.
why we are using digital marketing over the traditional marketing.
Yes.
Yeah. So there are a lot of platforms for the digital marketing, such as like social media marketing. So if I say social media means you are using all the social media platforms to promote your product or services.
Yes.
So social media in the sense the social networking sites, just like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WeChat, Telegram, Pinterest.
Yeah.
What are the platforms you are using to connect with the people all around you, from your family, friends, or from the worldwide, right? So all these are platforms known as a social media platforms where you are interacting with the people, right? So we use all these platforms to promote our product or services. Either we are doing organic marketing here or a paid marketing, paid promotions, right? So that all comes under marketing only, social media marketing. The next thing is search engine optimization, SEO. Have you heard about it? SEO?
Yeah, I have heard. For running a website, we need a search engine, SEO.
Okay. So why it is
make
required?
it visible on the top.
Correct. Right. That is the main thing about the SEO. Suppose you have a website, you have created a website, and that is very good, right? For your business or like your personal branding, whatever your target is. But your main motto is to be visible on the first page of the search engine. Yes.
Yeah.
Whenever you're putting any query relevant to your requirements, suppose I am looking for a good digital marketing institute in Bangalore, right? So I simply type in Google or any of the search engines, right? Search engine in the sense the platform which we are using for the search any any product or services, right? So that is called search engine, right? So any of the so for example, search engines are Google. Google is a search engine, right? Yahoo is a search engine.
Mozilla.
Oh no. That is a that is a different thing, right? Google and Yahoo are the search engines, but Chrome ho gaya, then your Explorer, Microsoft Explorer ho gaya, right? Microsoft Edge ho gaya, right? These are not search engines. These are the tools which we are using to access the websites and all, right? Okay. So these are the softwares. Okay. But search engines are, these are also tools, or these are also softwares, but they have a database where they are storing all the informations. I mean, all these websites, and whenever somebody is searching related to that particular website, they are giving us the results, right? So suppose I'm searching
Yes.
something over the internet, right? I'm searching about best restaurant near me. Okay, so they will search in their database from my location. Okay, they will take my locations, current locations, and they will search by nearby me. Okay, which is the nearby
Yeah.
restaurants for Bhopal. Okay, and then they will produce the results. So based on their rankings, based on the their reviews, and a lot of things are there, right? Which they consider
Yeah. Yeah.
to give a ranking to a website. Okay, so you are optimizing your website in such a way so that whenever somebody is searching relevant to your website will appear on the first page of the search engine result pages.
Yeah.
So whatever the pages we are seeing, right, or whatever the results we are seeing on that particular search engines, that we call it search engine result pages, SERP. Okay, that will be covering into the SEO part, don't worry about it. So SEO is nothing but you are optimizing your website to get more traffic, to be visible on the first page, correct, to get highly relevant traffic to your website. That is the
Yes.
main motto, right? Because
Yes.
people who are not relevant to your website and they are coming to your website, will they stay long for the long on your website? No, they will come and go back, right?
Yeah.
So what is your main target is, you want a specific target, you want a specific audience on your website, right? Relevant
Yeah.
traffic on your website, so that you can increase the sales of your product or services, right? So that is the main motto why we do the SEO. Then the next thing is SEM.
Search engine marketing.
Yes. So whenever we use the word marketing, so marketing means everything is paid, nothing is free. Okay.
Yeah.
So when you are putting money to promote your product or services, that comes under marketing. Okay. So the search engine marketing is, whatever, whenever you are searching something on Google, right? So on the top of the results, you see AD, right? Have you ever noticed that thing?
No.
Let's see. Can you see my screen now? Is it visible?
No, it's not visible now.
One minute. I think something went wrong. Now visible?
Yeah, it's visible now.
Okay. So suppose I'm searching here best digital marketing company in Bangalore. Okay. So now see,
Yes.
can you see this AD?
Yeah. This one.
What is this?
AD. Yeah,
AD.
I have seen advertisement.
Correct. So these are the advertisements. These websites are not organically ranking. We use two words here. One is organic and one is paid marketing. Organic in the sense you are not spending any single rupees to promote your website. Okay.
Yes.
And still it is coming on the first page. That is the organic efforts, right? Or we can say it's the organic ranking. Okay. But whenever you see here this AD, right, it means it's an advertisement and you are paying something to show your ad on the first page or show your results on the first page, right? Now clear?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, now it's.
Yeah. So we are giving some money to Google, and then Google is showing on the first page, first or second or third position or the fourth position. Okay. So these ads can be 4, right? Maximum 4 ad can be on the top of the page, and below also it can be 4.
Okay.
Okay. So you will not find 5 ads on the top of the page. You can see up to 4 on the top of the page, and below 4, max to max, up to 4, right? So sometimes it's on the top of the page, sometimes 2, sometimes 3, sometimes 4, or sometimes you will not see any ad, right? So it depends on the advertisers which time they are showing their ads and all, right? So whenever you are using money to promote your product or services, that calls under marketing, right? So Google and all the search engines also provide this kind of marketing, right? So you're putting some money to promote your product and services, that comes under SEM.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
So we are giving, there are a lot different type of ads are available. Here we saw this AD, right? So it's a text ad, right? We are seeing the ad in the text format. Okay. Sometimes
Yes.
we see ads in the image formats, right? So we call it display ads.
Okay.
Sometimes we see ad in the video format, right? So we call it video ads.
Video.
Clear now?
Yeah. Yeah, it's clear now.
One more thing, if you have noticed, suppose you search something on Amazon, right? Suppose you searched about Apple iPhone 7 on Amazon. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you are going to Facebook. Now you search on Amazon and you closed it, right? Because you didn't like the
Yeah,
prices. It's very
My
costly.
social media, it will be showing the related ads.
Correct. So how it is coming? How
By
they come to know, like,
artificial intelligence.
sorry?
Artificial intelligence, I don't know that much.
No. What we call it is remarketing, right? What we do
Okay.
is we are putting some pixels on our website. Okay. If somebody comes to our website, we'll be recording their database. Okay. We'll be saving their database. Okay. And then we are showing this particular ad them again and again. So that we call it remarketing. Okay. Why? Because if somebody is interested, then only they will come to your platform and they will search about that particular product, right? भाई जब तक आपको
Yes.
जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है ना, आप नहीं सर्च करोगे ना,
नहीं सर्च करेंगे,
है ना? आपको जरूरत था तभी आपने सर्च किया, राइट? एंड देन they know, okay, yes, Arun is interested in some particular product, then they will cover on your social media or on the third party website also, right? So
Okay.
this all comes under marketing only, right? SEM, you can say it comes under SEM also, it comes under social media marketing also, right? So
Yeah.
this all comes under the paid marketing also, right? Then
Yes.
the next is mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is nothing but you are promoting a product or services on the mobile itself, right? अपन
Yeah.
जब Amazon और Flipkart या कोई सा भी एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करते हो, राइट? या किसी वेबसाइट पे जाते हो, वो आपको पूछता है, do you want to get the notifications, or do you want to allow them to give you the notifications, show you the notifications, right? And sometimes we click on the block, or sometimes we click on the allow button, right?
Yeah.
So what is that? That is called push marketing, right? Or upon, like, whenever you download Amazon or Flipkart or any of the applications, right, you see in notification bar, right, 10% off on this particular product or services, right? We see the advertisement from them, right, time to time.
Yes.
Or we are receiving some SMSs also, right?
Yeah.
So these all these activities called mobile marketing, right? You are targeting the people through their mobile, right? Because everybody is using mobile, right, these days. So
Yes.
they know people 24/7 they see the mobiles, right? So they are directly coming to your in hand, right? Because the marketing in their hand 24/7, right? So they are using mobile marketing for that. Then another platform is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is, you don't have any product or services. Suppose you want to earn money.
Something to earn commission.
Yes, that is called affiliate marketing. You are promoting the third party website, so third party's product or services. Yes. So that is comes under affiliate marketing. Then blogging. You are very good into the writing, right? And you love traveling, or you love food or something, any of your interests, right? And you want to make you want to distribute all your thoughts to the people, right? You want to put your thoughts on the social media or on a website, right? So that people will come to know about it, and you want to bring your thoughts, right, to the people. You want to reach to the more people, right? Okay, suppose you are a doctor.
We are doing.
Yes. Suppose you are a doctor and you know about, like, thyroid very well, right? What is the reason for thyroid, and how you can cure thyroid at home, or homemade remedies, anything, right? And you want to reach more people about your particular product or services, right? So you do the blogging,
Yes.
right? You are writing about those particular things. So that is
Yes.
called blogging, right? So you're reaching through blogging more people. Then
Yeah.
these days, next thing is influencer marketing. What is influencer marketing? You have any ideas?
Influencer marketing, I have no idea. I can guess like for like affiliate marketing only. If we'll give some like
Kind of that only. So, but influencer in the sense, right? Suppose you have a good fan following on social media, right? Suppose you have
yes,
10,000 followers on, or 50,000 followers on Twitter, or
yeah,
50,000 followers on Instagram or YouTube channel, right? So what you are doing is you are promoting others' product, right?
others
So
product like
because
hotels and all.
you are good influencer, right? Influencer in the sense
Yes.
you are making impact to the people directly, right? You have good fan
Yeah.
following, and whatever you're promoting, people are considering it. So that is called influencer
Yes.
marketing, right?
Okay.
That's also a
Yeah.
part of
Yeah.
digital marketing only. You will see these
Yes.
days a lot of influencers are there, right? Even the Flipkart is
Yes.
also previously one of my friend is there, right? So she was working for the Flipkart as a influencer marketing manager, right? So she was handling the influencers for them.
Okay.
Yeah. So the
Yeah.
next is
We can see.
sorry.
Yeah. Yeah. No. Nothing.
Okay. So next is email marketing. So email marketing is very simple. Kind of I can say like
Bulk email
yes,
sending like
you
that.
are sending. You have a database of your customers or clients, or even you don't have, you will buy from the market, right? It's available
Yeah.
everywhere. So you have bought a database of 1 lakh people, and you are shooting them through the emails, right? You are directly reaching to their inbox. Okay, we have this product, and these are the details, and click here to know more about this, right?
Yeah.
So you are doing marketing through the email. That is called email marketing. And then
Yes.
this
Yes.
PPC is pay per clicks, right? You are using a lot of except apart from this Google, Facebook, or this social media, which we know, right? But apart from this, there is a lot of tools and websites are available who are providing advertisement services, right? There are a lot of agencies are available who are providing tools to promote your product or services, right? So suppose like propeller ads, right? A lot of tools are available, right? So what you're doing there is you're just putting your ad, and they have a reach of millions of people, right? They have a database of millions of people, and they have a tie-up with the millions of websites, right? So they're putting their ads on that particular website in behalf of you. Okay, so they are working as an agency in between you and the advertisers, right? So you are paying only for the clicks only, pay per click, in the sense, suppose if your ad is been shown to 10 people 100 people, then only you will be charged, right? So there are a lot of matrices are available, or ways are available, right? So which
Yes.
ways you want to go? Like suppose you want to be charged only when somebody clicks on your ad, right? So you will be paying only when somebody clicks on your ad. You will not pay anything until unless nobody clicks on your ad, right? So
Yeah.
suppose I wanted to show my ads on the Times of India website, right? And you will be pay only when somebody clicks on your advertisement, right? So that is called pay per clicks. Or you wanted to be charged only when somebody sees your advertisement. Suppose you are paying on the per impressions, right? So there is a lot of bidding strategies are there. We call it the bidding strategies, right? So based on, you will be charged. So based on the number of views, based on the number of impressions, based on number of clicks, right? So all these things comes under the PPC only. Okay, there's a lot of different platforms available. So we'll be covering all these things in the digital marketing. Apart from this, we'll be covering a lot of tools, right? Different tools are there for the social media marketing, right? Because every time, suppose you have 10 clients, right? So for everybody, you will go and post, right, on the social media. I mean, like Facebook also you're posting, Instagram also you're posting, Twitter also you're posting, LinkedIn also you're posting, right? But
Yes.
by doing all these things separately, what you will do is you will put your content and image on one platform, and you will be clicking a one button and you have scheduling it, right? Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, these are the content and this is the time it should be posted, right? So you click up one button and rest of the things that tool will do automatically, right? So
Okay,
behalf of
yeah.
you, that particular tool will automatically publish your content everywhere on that particular day and
Yes.
particular time, right? So the publishing tools are there, a lot of analytics tools are there, right? Where you will be collecting all the data, right? Okay, I have
Yeah.
posted all these days. Okay, what are the metrics now, or like what are the numbers? How many people have shown my ads? What was their gender? What was their age, right? What was their locations, authenticity, right? So all these things will be available in these tools. So we'll be covering all those tools for the analytical part as well as the publishing part and all, right? For the social media marketing also there are a lot of tools. For SEO part also there is a lot of tools. Okay, so all these things tools will be covered. And next is like career scope in digital marketing, right? So as you are already working professional, right? And,
Slide is not visible. Still, I'm on the Google page.
oh, is it? Oh,
Yeah.
oh my God. 1 minute, huh? You have to tell me, yaar. Then
No,
you didn't tell
that
me.
I have taken the screenshot, but next one I have not taken.
Actually, there's some I don't know actually what happened today.
I got everything. There is no problem.
Okay. Now is it
And
visible?
now it's visible. Yeah.
So I was covering all these tools, right?
Yes.
Previously, this
This
SEO. Yes. Okay. So now
Yeah.
this is the page where I'm talking about like career scope in digital marketing, right? So as per the data, the growth of India's digital advertising industry is around 33%, 33.5% right now. Okay, so by the end of the 2021, India's digital industry will produce more than 1 crore jobs. After this pandemic, actually what happened, everybody came on, everybody switched to this digital marketing only, right? Every company, either it's a small business or it's a large scale business, right? Everybody wants to be present on the social media or the online industry, right? Everybody is expecting something from the online industry only, right? Online platforms only, because previously there was no, previously was also there like online platforms for learning and all.
Teaching like the pandemic have taught
Yes,
so many things.
so many things, right? How to use this internet actually, right? So everybody's online, even we are also online right now, right? Otherwise, if it is not a pandemic, you would have gone to any institute and have taken a physical training, right? So
Yes.
yeah, this is the best example for digital marketing, right? The scope for the digital marketing, right?
Yes.
Then digital media is expected to grow at 24% by the 2022, which now stands around 12% only. So we can say in next 1 year, this digital marketing, industry will be going to be double, right? So the market share will be like 24%. The customer of the new generation check their smart devices every 9.6 minutes. So everybody checks their phone once in 10 minutes, right? I can say like not in 10 minutes. As for me, it will be like every 5 minutes nowadays, right?
Yes.
Yeah, unless you
They're
will not
leaving
sleep.
the phone only while they're sleeping.
Yes. So the first thing which we do in the morning itself also, right? After waking up is we are checking our phone, right? And before sleep also we are checking.
Just like a disease.
Yes, kind of disease only, right? So there are more than 220 million users who are accessing digital services through their smartphones in India. And the number of mobile internet users by end of the 2021 will be estimated around 829 million people. Okay. So from this data you can say the scope in digital marketing is very good, and
yes,
you can see around you also, right? Everything has gone digital, right? So that's all from my side for today. Thank you.
Okay.
And if you have any queries, you can ask me, and I'll try to address your questions.
Yeah. Okay. I want to ask, like, how many tools, which all tools we are going to cover, we are going to learn in this course, means like Google Analytics, something is Hootsuite and HubSpot, digital marketing tools are there, no?
Yes.
So, which all tools we are going to learn?
See, all the major tools, right, which is useful for as a beginner, right, or as an intermediate, which is required,
Uh-huh.
right, as per the industry standards, right. Suppose if I talk about the SEO part, right. So in SEO, like site auditing tools, whatever the site auditing tools we use, right, or every industry person is using. So all the popular tools we will be covering, just like for Href or Ubersuggest, right, Google keyword planners and all, right. So we'll be using all these tools for this SEO part. Then for social media, obviously HubSpot or like sociality हो गया, then Buffer हो गया, then Iconosquare is there, right. So a lot of tools are available into the market. So we'll be covering all the major tools which are
Okay,
frequently.
using the tools after learning this means, I'm asking as a, uh, after completing this course, means using the tools, for example, I have learned HubSpot, Buffer, and these tools you have, whatever you taught, I'll learn.
Okay.
Apart from that, there will be a lot of tools will be there. So using that will not be that difficult, no, after having the
See,
course.
yes, one thing I tell you, okay, about this industry and the tools part, right? So what the
Yeah.
thing is, these are, when one tool, right? So other tool is not very much different from the first one, right? The few things will be changed. Okay, you started using Facebook, right? So first time when you go for the Twitter, somewhere you will be confused, right? What is it and all, right? How to use it. But within 2-3 days, you will be familiar with the Twitter, right? And that will be easy
Yes.
for you, right?
Yeah,
Initially when
that's what I-
Instagram came, right?
Yeah.
So Instagram had different features, right? But not
Yes.
very
Yes.
much different, right? Everybody is sharing photos. So we were
Yeah.
previously
Yeah.
also sharing
Same
photos
thing we are doing there
on
only.
Facebook, right? We were using
Yes.
we were sharing videos on Facebook previously, and we are also sharing videos on Instagram. But the main difference is like there is a limitations on the Instagram, right? You cannot uh, put a video more than 1
Yeah.
minute, right? Or in the
Yeah.
reel 30
Yeah.
seconds and all, right? So these were the things, right, everywhere. So every tool is also different, but not that much different that it will take that much time
Yeah.
to learn for you, right? So
Yeah. Yeah.
and it depends on the companies also, right? So it depends on the company to company. Suppose it's a small you started your career with a small company, right? It's a startup, so they are not investing much on the tools. Why? Because they don't have much social media accounts, and they have only their company accounts, right? They hired you just promote their product and services for the company itself, so they are not using any tool. That is fine, right? You cannot force them, right? Okay, so no, I can't work without the tools, right? No, this is not the thing, right? So it depends on the company also, right? For how long, how big is the company, and what are the tools they are using, right? So some companies are using Iconosquare, right? And some companies are using Brandwatch, right? So the Brandwatch
Okay.
costs a lot, right? Brandwatch is a tool uh, for monitoring the social media, you know uh, shouts only, right? So who is talking about your brand, and what the people are talking about your brand, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okay.
for
I
that
got
only
it now.
we are using Brandwatch, right? But the
Yeah.
Brandwatch cost almost $10,000 to $15,000 per year. So every company cannot afford that particular amount, right? So
Yes.
you will be not
Okay. I
using
got
that particular tool, and even we are not going to teach you that particular tool, because it costs a lot, right? Which we cannot cover, because
Yeah. Yeah.
to show you that particular tool we have to buy that particular subscription, right? And we cannot
Yes.
afford
Yes.
that, right? So it depends.
Yeah.
So
I got to know.
so it depends on the costing of that particular tool, right? We'll be covering. So I cannot say okay, all these tools we are going to cover, but yes, we'll be giving you the knowledge, okay, how to use that particular tool, and what are the metrics you will be seeing in that particular tool, so that
Yeah.
like whenever you are using that particular tool, this will be very easy for you to understand, okay, what is this tool is all about and how to use it.
Yeah. Okay.
correct?
And all some materials and all we'll get, no?
Yes, that we will get.
And certification and like it is as mentioned in the Websala.
Yes. So
It
all these
will
certificates
get-
you will get, right? Google certificates and all, right?
Okay. And any idea about placement support?
Yeah, definitely there will be 100%, providing you the assistance for your placements. So
Okay, yeah, that I had words with Abhishek also, so there is no problem in that. And about the classes, means I'm working now, so this month I'm having morning shift. So
Okay.
next month I'll be having some other shift. Maybe it can be from 2 to night 10. Now it is 6 to 2.
Okay. So no issues. We can have the classes in the morning and the evening itself only.
Okay, as per the requirement. Okay.
Yes. Morning and evening batches.
Okay, Bhopal. No, thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Arun. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
Bye.
you. We will get this recorded session. Huh?
Yeah, you will check with you just check with Abhishek. Okay.
Abhishek.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks. Bye.